Looking for a fast, reliable AI translator that handles way more than just basic text? Today, we're looking at Lara Translate, a powerful AI translation tool designed to make translating texts, documents, and even images incredibly easy. Whether you're traveling, studying, or running a business, Lara Translate supports over 200 languages. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use it and explore its best features for 2026. Let's start with the basics. When you head over to laratranslate.com, you'll see a clean, simple interface. To translate text, all you have to do is type or paste your text into the box. It features automatic language detection, but you can also manually select from over 200 languages. But Lara Translate goes way beyond simple text. If you look at the menu, you'll see options for documents, images, and audio. For documents, it supports a massive 61 different file formats. This means you can upload PDFs, spreadsheets, or Word documents and get a translated version instantly. If you have a photo of a sign, a menu, or a screenshot, you can upload it under the Images tab, which supports 11 different image formats. There's also an audio translator supporting 5 formats and an interpreter tool that works across 182 languages, perfect for real-time conversations. What makes Lara Translate unique are its advanced settings. For example, you can use the Add Context feature to help the AI understand the tone or background of your text, ensuring a much more faithful translation. There's also an incognito mode if you are translating sensitive information and want to keep your data private, as well as a glossary tool to keep your terminology consistent. Now, let's talk about user feedback. While the platform mentions that over 350,000 customers trust Lara and Translated for their professional translation needs, we don't have a large pool of independent user reviews to share with you today. Because of this, we highly recommend trying it out with a few test paragraphs or files first to see if the translation quality meets your specific needs. If you want to use it on the go, they also offer mobile apps for both iOS and Android, as well as a Chrome browser extension. Overall, Lara Translate is a highly versatile, feature-rich option if you need to translate multiple file types quickly. Have you tried Lara Translate yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.